So setting up to do an unboxing of our SHEIN order, and Zeus, I guess, is a little camera shy. He's scared. Yeah, very scared. Zeus!
Baby Zeus.
Baby Zeus! We see you! See? You don't have to be camera shy.
Peeking.
And then
Peeking with one eye.
this one, she's like all about the camera. Look how beautiful she is. Gypsy girl. Psst, psst, psst. Look at you. You're a beauty. Are you excited to see what's in this SHEIN package? And Bella, she says, I'm just going to run away. I just want to play with this toy. Hey everyone. So Thanksgiving is over. We have our little Happy Turkey Day shirt. This was for Thanksgiving today. I got this from SHEIN, but no, I got this from Temu. And I decided to compare Temu and SHEIN. So we got this big package here from Temu or SHEIN. I can't keep it straight now. And we're going to see what all we got in here.
Too much turkey.
Too much turkey, turkey coma. Turkey coma.
Baby Zeus.
All right, so most of this stuff I'm going to let Mr. Scott see, but there's one thing in here we're going to hide. I have to hide stuff sometimes. It's for the good of the game. Because I decided I'm going to do a advent calendar kind of thing. So each day for starting in December, the cat's hiding over here, like behind, he thinks he's hiding. I'll put that clip in the video. He thinks he's hiding. His face is covered under the curtain. To the left more. That way and down. There you go. So, oh no, it's this way. Oh, you can't see him. Be kind to see him. So, he's hiding back there. He thinks he's hiding. Just his face is covered. And his paws are sticking out and everything else is sticking out. But he thinks he's hiding. So, anyhow, I'm going to do an advent calendar kind of event. Every day, starting December 1st, I'm going to give Scott a present. And it'll be an advent present. It's generally something for the house. Something I picked, so it means I wanted it. But it'll be for the house. So he's going to have 25 days of Christmas. Or I'm going to have 25 days of Christmas. Or we're going to have 25. Anyhow, it's going to be 25 days of Christmas. So he's going to get a present. So let's see what all we got here in our SHEIN package. It looks like when you look at SHEIN compared to Temu, their prices are kind of competitive. I started ordering some stuff from SHEIN and put it in my cart, and Temu had the same items, and they ended up that some of them were cheaper at Temu. So I split my order in half. So half of it's SHEIN and half of it's Temu. Temu will be here tomorrow. SHEIN came yesterday, and we just didn't open it. They have the same products, the same clothing. I kind of like the holiday attire because I can get away with wearing this at work. And Temu has a bigger selection. SHEIN seems to come quicker. But I have 4 holiday events for work that we have to put together. So we have holiday luncheons. So I wanted to make sure I had some nice holiday stuff for Christmas. And I had a couple outfits from last year. I had 2. So I just went ahead and added 2 more, plus maybe 1 more. So the first thing is this. This is really nice. This is just a red sweater. It's got these beautiful bows and the cutouts down. So this could be, you can wear this every day. You don't have to just wear this at Christmas. This would be nice for Valentine's Day too. It's pretty, we live in Florida, so it's not thick and fleece lined. It's a nice lining, but it's not too lined. It's got the cute little bows down the side. It's all red. It also came in green. So we have this little cute shirt that you can just wear any old time, but I'll be pairing it up with some things for Christmas. And then we got this one. Ooh, this one's weird. It's kind of cool. It's almost like a corduroy material, but very thin. And this is green, and it says Believe with Santa hat on it. So that will be paired very nicely with something for one of the Christmas events as well. And of course, you can wear that a little bit just through Christmas, but the other shirt you can wear anytime. Now, not sure what that is. I kind of wanted to try to get them together. Sheimu and Teen both actually offer, you can buy just shirts, you can buy just leggings, or they offer sets. And this one is actually a set. And this is actually a 3-piece set. So this comes with a nice little Christmassy with lights. It's all sparkly tank top. And it has designs on the back as well, but it's just the starry stuff. So it's not crystals, it's all imprinted into the material itself. So this goes with, there is the leggings that go with it. And again, they're not sparkly, but you've got the leggings, and down the legs, you have the Christmas trees. On the camera, it looks really nice. Look how that sparkles on the camera. It looks like it's real, like it's crystals and stuff. And they are printed on both sides, so it is printed on the fronts and the backs. And it has a nice cover up. So again, the cover up is the print down the sleeves. It has the nice little Christmas starry scene with the sparkling stars. And then the back is just that. So that's a really nice 3-piece outfit. This whole outfit for all 3 pieces was only $12.99. So you can't beat that for an outfit.
The cat wants to go back to SHEIN in the bag.
The cat wants to go to SHEIN.
She's getting in the bag.
SHEIN doesn't only SHEIN or Temu, neither one. They don't just do clothing. They have like all kinds of odds and ends, household items, just anything you need. And I take a couple medications. I only take them once a day. And sometimes I can't remember if I take them or not. One of them is a blood pressure pill. So I don't want to take it more than once. So I got this little, and pink is my favorite color. So I can put these in here, and then I'm going to be sure that I didn't take it more than once, or that I really did take it. Because my prescription needed filled, and I still had pills. So obviously I missed a couple days here and there. And Bella's trying to get in the SHEIN bag. I guess she wants to go back to SHEIN. It shouldn't even come from SHEIN. So that's just really cute. That was only like 75 cents. All of this is free shipping. They don't really do anything. They say, oh, this and that and something else, but you put one thing in your cart and it's free shipping. So that's nice. Then we have, oh, that is not what I was expecting, but I can't show that one to you. That one is a little bit junkier than I thought it was going to be. You're still going to love it. So this, if we could get her to cooperate, well, she's in the other video. We might be able to show you, and I'll put a picture in here. I got this Christmas shirt, which is a cold shoulder. It is designed the whole way down. And it has this little cute little kitty cat on here. And guess what? She kind of looks like Gypsy when Gypsy was a baby, but not as much as I thought she did in the picture. But it is still adorable, and I still think this looks like little baby Gypsy. She's up here. Can you show her? Will that turn around enough to show Miss Gypsy? The camera? Could just, in the back is snowflakes. So we have this with Little Miss Gypsy. Look, Gypsy, look up there. Looky. Psst, psst, psst. She doesn't really want to look, but it kind of does look like her.
She's mad I'm holding her. She doesn't really like to be held.
Oh, there she's looking now. Look. Oh, of course not. You never want to cooperate. So that is super cute. And it looks like Gypsy.
Oh, she's mad now.
We got some everyday leggings that we can wear that we're going to pair with this Christmas outfit. And they're pretty cute. So the matching leggings, they came back and said they were out of stock, and they replaced them with these. And that's fine, because at least this I can wear. I can wear these leggings any time of the year. So they have 2 cute little cats on them. And I'll wear them with that Christmas Gypsy Santa. And we have 2 more. One more thing I'll show you later. And we have one more Christmas outfit. So this outfit makes you Santa's little helper. You have the cute little belt with the shirt and the jinglies at the bottom, and the leggings that match, that go with it. So you have a cute little Santa's helper outfit. So now I have enough outfits for 5 days a week for working and all of my holiday parties. I'll put these together and show them laying down. And you can turn away now. Yep, that's it. Close your eyes. Hold on. This is one of the Advent things that he is going to get, that we're going to get. And this is perfect for us. Unfortunately, this is flat. They made it sound like this is just like a flat, clear plastic. And they made it sound like it was actually cut out and just thin. But it's still really cute. It is perfect for us. So you'll see that at another time. And at the end of this video, I'll go ahead and put all the outfits together and lay them out as a set so you can get a better image of what they look like. That is our Temu unboxing. We will, not Temu, SHEIN. I keep saying the wrong thing. You can turn back around. Nobody can see now.
We'll just call it Shimu.
We'll call it Shimu. We'll make our own. So the last one I did was Temu, and it was all free. I did add $40 worth of items. I got lots of compliments. They have washed well. They've worn well. I like them. Generally, I size up one size because this is coming from China, and unfortunately in America, we are not as small as they are in China, so I don't think they quite understand our sizes. But if you size up one size, either with Temu or SHEIN, they seem to run accurately that way. Yeah, so we will put this together. I will have a Temu, the other Temu, since I said I compared prices between Shemu. See, I'm even calling it Shemu now. Temu and SHEIN, and I ended up splitting my order. So half of it I got from SHEIN because it was cheaper. The other half I got through Temu. I like Temu because if you go back in, and I don't know if everybody knows this hack, if you go back in and you look at your order over and over and over until it comes to you, if there's a drop in a price, you just request a price adjustment and you get a credit. So that's really cool. Both places, if you do a review of the article telling how accurate it is, they also give you a credit. So basically they're encouraging you to spend more money. Yeah, most people are going to buy into it. I am one of those people that I will probably buy into it for a little bit, but not a lot. The stuff we're getting from Temu tomorrow is some household things. And again, there'll be things that will be revealed to Scott on the advent calendar. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Here are 3 of the outfits and things that we got. So you have your little elf one. That is printed the whole entire way around with the leggings, which are printed the whole entire way around. We've got the cute little cats here with your little gypsy kitten Santa. Now it's just red on the back. It doesn't have the design on the back, but it has the snowflakes and stuff on the back, so it's not solid red. And it's got the little cold shoulder. And this is like a very lightweight corduroy material, but it's very flexible. It's a sweatshirt and it says believe. And here's the last outfit in sweater. This sweater is super adorable. This is going to be great for Christmas, any time of the year, or Valentine's Day. It's nice and thin. It's cool. It's super, super cute. And then this outfit is really nice. So you've got your little tank top. You've got your jacket to go over it. And the beautiful leggings. I think these are 2 of my favorites.